Hello children. Today let us continue the lesson heat. We have already learned about the effects of heat energy. When heat energy is supplied to any substances, there will be a physical change in them. For example, solid form of water, that is ice, is changed to liquid form, and liquid form of water is changed to gaseous form. These are all the physical changes due to heat energy. The same way, heat energy produces chemical changes also. So, to know more about the physical and chemical changes takes place in a substances. When a heat energy is applied to them, we need to measure the amount of heat involved in it. The technique used to measure the amount of heat involved in a physical or a chemical process is known as calorimetry. The technique used to measure the amount of heat involved in a physical or chemical process is known as calorimetry. Temperature. It is a physical quantity which expresses whether an object is hot or cold. It is measured with the help of thermometer. There are 3 scales to measure the temperature. They are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. Among these 3 scales, Kelvin scale is the most commonly used one. Unit of heat. We know that heat is a form of energy. The unit of energy in SI system, that is, the SI unit of energy is joule. So, heat is also measured in joule. It is expressed by the symbol J. The most commonly used unit of heat is calorie. 1 calorie is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. The relation between calorie and joule is given as 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Consider that water and cooking oil are taken in 2 separate vessels. Heat them till they reach a particular temperature. Which one is heated first? Oil or water? Surely oil. Then water is getting more time for heated. Why it happens? Because water needs much heat energy to raise its temperature. In general, the amount of heat energy gained or lost by substance is determined by 3 factors. They are mass of the substance, change in temperature of the substance, nature of the material. Different substances require different amount of heat energy to reach a particular temperature. This nature is known as heat capacity of a substance. Heat capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy required by a substance to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, and it is denoted by the symbol C. Heat capacity is equal to amount of heat energy required divided by rise in temperature. The unit of heat capacity is calorie per degree Celsius, and its SI unit is joule per Kelvin. Specific heat capacity. When the heat capacity of a substance is expressed for unit mass, that is per mass, it is called specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of a substance is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. It is denoted by the symbol C. So, specific heat capacity is equal to amount of heat energy divided by the product of mass and rise in temperature. The SI unit of specific heat capacity is joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Thank you.